What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I posted last. I appreciate you guys hanging in there waiting for this next video, but here it is. As you guys can see by the title, today's video is sponsored by Hornblasters.com. Hornblasters totally came through and hooked me up with a horn for the mini Jeep. I'm going to show you guys what I did to install this horn, how super simple they make it, with the instructions they give you, etc. They hooked me up with a sweet flag for the garage and this awesome t-shirt. I'm also working with them on the next project for this, you guys. You guys are not going to want to miss that. So stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, let's check out what they sent me here. So Hornblasters was nice enough to send me over the Psychoblasters V2 Nightmare Edition for the mini Jeep. This thing is insanely loud, you guys. I was actually very, very shocked with how loud this is. I was kind of skeptical because, you know, electric air horns are not that loud, but whatever they did to this kit, it's insane. So what comes with this kit, I think they have it listed here in the box. So that's what everything it comes with. It does not come with any wires or anything to do the install, but it does have the relay. But they were cool enough to send me over the wiring kit, etc., everything I needed. In the instructions, super straightforward, colored instructions. It tells you how to wire up the relay and back to the horn. I originally had the horn wired up in the mini Jeep direct. I just unplugged the horn leads and plugged them into the compressor itself. It worked, but I'm like, you know what? Something is not as loud as it needs to be. So I went back and I rewired it with the relay, and oh my gosh, what a difference, you guys. And I'm going to show you the horn here. All right, I'm going to show you guys what I did. There she is. There's the compressor here. I just zip tied it all together because there was no feasible mounting location up here. Horns right here. In order to get the horns mounted properly and to function properly, I zip tied them up to the grill. And you're going to want the shortest run possible of hose, so there's no lag in by the time you hit the button to the time the air reaches the horns. So I mean, they're very, very, very impressive the way it's set up here. I probably got, I don't know, 1.5 feet, 2 feet of line here, more towards 1.5 feet, but it works exceptionally well. As far as the relay, so the wires coming off of the stock horn, you guys, are a dark green and a light green. So this is the light green. This is going to be your positive lead. The darker green is going to be your ground. So when it's hidden in there, it's kind of hard to see, but it's right behind here. Like I said, if you guys have any questions or you're wondering about how I wired this up, look at that. The instructions that come with it, super straightforward. So they're going to run your leads back over to the compressor, and everything just works. I mean, I had to run a line up from the factory battery location. As you guys know, I relocated the battery to the back and did a battery upgrade. And I'll show you guys a before clip, what it sounds like before. Before. Now you guys know why I needed to upgrade that horn. So now I'm going to honk it in the same spot in the garage. Give you guys a listen here. Massive difference. Way, way, way better, you guys. Like I said, this horn, especially cruising by, it's quite loud. Have a look. I know that video wasn't the exact best. because I shot that on Instagram as I was cruising by. There's a little bit more detailed information, you guys, on Instagram. So if you want to head over to my channel, I posted a whole link, a little bit further in-depth detail on this horn. But yeah, I am super excited, you guys, for the package that's in the mail coming from Hornblasters. You're not going to believe what they're going to jam in this thing. It's going to be quite shocking. Needless to say, I am very excited for this upcoming video, you guys. But of course, as always, you guys know, feel free to reach out to me. Message me if you guys have any questions on the horn, or if you guys just have any general questions about mini Jeeps in general. Hit me up on Instagram at realprojects815, and I'm very good about responding to everybody that asks a question. Also, if you guys want to help support the channel and see really cool future stuff for the mini Jeep, head over to my Patreon page. It's just search for Projects815 and I should pop up. Other than that, thanks for watching, you guys. You guys are great. Don't forget to hit the little subscribe button for me. Keep this channel rolling. And I can't wait to see you guys for the big install coming soon. Thanks for watching.